Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deanna for those of you that are new. So today we're doing something pretty interesting. I used this curler tool right here. Got it off of Amazon. I will link everything I use in this video down below. I really wanted to test it out on my hair. This is the first time I've ever used this product. I've never watched a tutorial, which I should have, and I regret not watching a tutorial on how to use this because I kind of just went with it throughout the video. You'll see how I but I figure out towards the end when I'm done, like, okay, this is what I should do next time. But I mean, as I'm like standing here, I'm liking it a little bit more than I did. You'll see in the video, I thought it was a fail, but it's cool. It's so different. It's completely out of my comfort zone. I really wanted to test it out. I feel like I could have definitely held the curler on my hair much longer to make it more, like, so you can see it, but it really does look like mermaid curls, so that's cool. I think this would be so cool to use on a Halloween look or something if you were a mermaid. And I thought it would be cute if I like did half up, half down, not like that, but like that or something. But yeah, it was definitely fun to film, and I'm gonna post anyway because it wasn't a total fail. But leave in the comments down below what you think of this. I'm probably gonna get a lot of constructive criticism on how I used this because I'm just testing it out. Honestly, there's no right or wrong way to do anything. I just had fun and I wanted to post it because if and when you guys try this out, you can see from my mistakes, or maybe if you like it, you can do what I did. So make sure to follow me on Instagram. The link is always down in the description below, and please subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And let's get started. If you want to see how I got these mermaid curls and you want to see where I messed up, then let's get started. Okay, so my two absolutely favorite hair products, amika, the best. One is the dry shampoo, my absolute favorite dry shampoo. This was in both of these, I think, were in my first video ever, and I'm just obsessed with their dry shampoo because side note, I'm not a big fan of dry shampoo. I don't like the feeling it gives on hair at all. It feels like my hair is dirty after I use it, and I like to wash my hair every other day because I don't wash it because it looks greasy. I'm sure a lot of you don't relate. I know a lot of people wash their hair like every few days or maybe every day. I don't know. Leave in the comments down below and let me know. But I like to wash my hair every other day just because like the dirt that gets in your hair and like just walking outside, I don't know, something about it. I also work out 5 days a week, maybe more. So I like to wash my hair throughout the week. But when it's not dirty and I feel like I can just put dry shampoo in, this is the product. It doesn't feel like your hair is dirty or thick. It feels like nothing is in your hair and your hair looks shiny, like you literally just showered. I've never used a product that actually smells like you showered, feels like you showered, looked like you showered, like washed your hair. I mean, it smells so good. It just reminds me of like a shampoo. I don't know how to explain it. It's just hands down my favorite. And I absolutely love their volume and matte texture spray. Gives texture, but it doesn't make your hair feel hard or anything like that. And it gives volume, smells amazing. Every time I use these products, people are like, oh my God, did you just wash your hair? It smells amazing. So it looks amazing, smells amazing, feels amazing. These are the best products. I will link everything I'm using down below. So we're gonna go in first with these. I had this clip back because I just filmed this makeup look using Rare Beauty products and I gave it a review. So definitely go check that out. So this is my hair natural right now. I probably washed it, not yesterday, the day before. So today is my wash day, but I'm not gonna wash it because I'm working out tomorrow early in the morning. So I'll wash it after that, which we'll see how this video goes if I even like these curls. So I'm just gonna put in the dry shampoo on my root area. I'm gonna just flip my hair. I'm not being like so precise. I don't know, I feel like some people can be so precise with how they put dry shampoo in. I literally just put it in the areas that would look greasy. I'll bend over and just work it in my hair. Now this gives me volume. One second, you probably can't hear me right now. Now this gives me volume as well. So like I literally, whoa, I can put the dry shampoo in and like guys, it literally gives me so much volume. I don't even need the texture spray. This is literally my natural hair. So I'm curious to see how these curls are gonna look. Let's brush through and start sectioning off my hair. We're gonna use the texture spray towards the end when I wanna like brush through the curls. So let's take the top layer and then we can always add dry shampoo towards the end as well. I'm just gonna literally make it messy, kind of. Okay, so this is the first time I've ever used this product. Disclaimer, I've never watched a tutorial on someone using this product. I've just seen like people post pictures with the product, like the curler and their hair. So this is it. I have no idea how I'm gonna use it, to be honest. We're just gonna wing it. And I'm really excited to see how it's gonna give me like the mermaid curl effect. The thing is I don't know how much I should take. So I'm just gonna like do this. How long do I do it for? Maybe like a few seconds, maybe longer than that. I'm happy I'm sectioning it because I can get a feel on the bottom layer and see how it'll look for when I do the top layer, because like obviously that's the most important layer to do. I'm gonna leave that much out and see how this curl looks. If we have to go over it again, we will. Whoa. Guys, talk about a mermaid curl. Oh my God. Okay. You guys are probably watching this saying she's so late to the game, which I am, but I really, okay, my struggle. I feel like all I do is just curl my hair with my wand. I'll link it down below for you guys. I get so many questions when my hair is curled. And honestly, if I'm doing this wrong, please leave it down in the comments below, because constructive criticism is always good. It's very helpful. I like it. But yeah, let me know if I'm doing this right. Anyway, the wand I use, it's from NuMe or whatever. I got it from Ulta. I think it's like over an inch thick, like an inch and a half thick the wand is or something like that. And I get so many questions on when I curl my hair and I get it like so big and wavy. Oh my God, guys. I think I'm gonna start taking thicker pieces. Do I? I don't know. I really wish someone who used this could let me know right now, but we're literally just winging it. I feel like this is totally a look, a specific look that you want. I feel like I'm definitely more of the wavy curls, but I figured this would be so fun to film like a mermaid curl tutorial, but it's not really a tutorial. It's just kind of like a first impression of this product. This is from Amazon, actually. I will link it down below. Honestly, guys, I mean, I feel like you definitely need patience to do this for sure. Because like when I curl my hair, it takes probably 5 to 10 minutes depending on like if I want to be fast or taking my time, you know what I mean? But also my hair, I'm very lucky. It like does whatever I want to do. It holds curls so well. I don't need product in my hair. I think it's because my hair is naturally wavy. You literally just saw it, natural. So I think because my hair is like that, like my hair holds curls very well. It'll stay throughout the night and I don't need a hairspray or anything like that. So that's why I was like super excited to try this, because I feel like, I don't know, it just does whatever I want it to do. After we're done with going through the whole section, we'll play around with it and see if we can get it looking the way. So I'm just gonna like speed up through this process, maybe show you when I'm done with the first layer because this is getting repetitive, but basically I'm just taking about this size per piece, and I'll let you guys know if I start doing thicker pieces, maybe when I'm on the top layer. I just wanna get a feel. I just want to get a feel, but I will check in when I'm done with the first layer. I just want to show you guys, my hair is so long, but basically one side done. and this side is my natural hair. This is so cool. Oh my God. I'm like loving it. It's just so different for me. Like so different. I'm excited to see the finished result. So this is what we got so far on the bottom. I'm definitely gonna take thicker pieces on the top layer, but what I'm gonna do is put in the texture spray. I usually don't do this like layer by layer. I just like at the end do it. I wanna see if like, I don't know, get an idea of what we can make it look like on the bottom so I can get an idea on the top. I'm like nervous to do the top layer, to be honest, because I don't want to ruin it. It's so cool though, guys. Like, look at this. It's legit mermaid curls. Okay, so yeah, definitely gonna take thicker pieces on the top layer and maybe space out the curls even more. So let's see how we're gonna do this. Okay, so I fixed my part. What I'm gonna do is first, I'm gonna start like lower and we're gonna test this out. So I'm gonna need the top piece over here to come over here, right? That's what I'm assuming, but I feel like it could be hard doing that. So I'm gonna test how it looks on this thick piece. I'm taking pieces like this thick. Honestly, I even brought a little bit of the bottom layer so it can like blend all together. Oh God, I'm gonna get so much hate because I've never watched a video on or a tutorial on how to use this. So I feel like you guys are gonna be like, you're doing it so wrong. But like, there's never a right way to do anything. I feel like it's all what you make of it, you know? So let's see if I can make this look decent. I don't know, the top layer always scares me. Like so I feel like it's like not even it doesn't even matter how thick of a piece you do. Honestly, now I'm starting to think, do I need to do thinner pieces? Let's redo that piece. Because it's all looking like one mermaid curl. So, I mean, not one, but I feel like it's not looking different the thicker I do. Also, maybe I should start doing it like this instead of out to the side. I just didn't want to burn my face, so. Top layer, and then this side, I don't know how I'm feeling about it right now. I need to fix it up, so let me do this side, play with it, and I'll show you guys like what I do once I'm done with how I'm gonna use the texture spray. We'll see. This is very different for me, very different. So this is what we are working with right now. It is so different for me. Let's put in some texture spray and see if we can, you know, save the day here. You know, some people can rock this. I might just not be one of those people. I might look like the female version of George Washington. So, guys, I hope this didn't turn out to be a complete fail. What we can do, it's like hard with the front pieces. Like, let's say I tucked that behind my ear. Oh no, 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 honey. I'm gonna like play around with it and see. I mean, like, from here down, it's so cool. It's up here. Like, I wish I could do my normal wave on my front pieces and, you know, have my front pieces more like my natural hair. I mean, what do you guys think? It's interesting because when I see people do it, I'm like iffy too. I'm like, I don't know if that look is for me. I mean, I really wanted to try it and I really wanted to film me trying it. So listen, I'm not a huge fan. I'm gonna play around with it and be right back, but let's see what we can do. Okay, so I kind of just went over this front piece again. I feel like I wasn't holding it on each strand of hair long enough. I feel like 10 seconds wasn't enough and it was a pretty quick 10 seconds. So if I were to redo this look, I would definitely hold it longer. I still don't know, do I do thicker or thinner? If you guys have ever used this product, please comment down below. I'm still gonna post this video just because I feel like it's important to share. Like, it's not a fail, but like, I really wanted to do this look and I don't know, I'm just gonna post it either way. I mean, you guys can make fun of me in the comments down below. Let me know what you guys think. I feel like I wouldn't leave the house with this in my hair. I mean, it's just this part. Maybe if like I clipped it and did like half up, half down, so much cuter, you know? So maybe I'll clip it. What do we think? I'm curious. Leave in the comments down below. Again, this is very, very different and new for me. I'm also in sweatpants, but whatever. So yeah, I really wanted to try this, film it. I wouldn't say it's really a tutorial. That's literally how my day is going. I wouldn't say this is a tutorial because I did not know what I was doing, but maybe you guys know what to do and what not to do if and when you try this product, or if you have tried this product. Please let me know in the comments down below what I did wrong. If you guys like it or not, leave in the comments. Rate it 1 to 10 what you guys think. It's very different for me, totally out of my comfort zone, but I really wanted to just test it out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next